Morning dear students, this is Nisha Dheer. I hope you all are doing good. In today's AV assignment, we will revise the syllabus of unit test. As you know, we have 3 chapters in our syllabus. So today, we will revise the first chapter and the name of the chapter is Me and My Body. In this chapter, we will learn about our body. Our body is made up of different parts and organs. In our body we have some external body parts and some internal body parts. External body parts are present outside the body and we can see them. Hands, legs, face, ears, etc. are some external body parts. And what are internal body parts? Internal body parts are present inside the body and cannot be seen. Brain, heart, lungs, stomach, etc. are some internal body parts. And we have sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the 5 sense organs. These 5 sense organs help us to know what is happening around us. So in our body we have 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the 5 sense organs. In this chapter we also learned about the feelings. We have different feelings at different times. We also learned about how to take care of our body. Okay, now we will revise the back exercise. Shall we start? Okay. And the first one is tick the correct answer. And the first question is hands help us to, and we have 4 options. First one is catch, pick, hold, all of these. So tell me which is the correct answer. Tell me, hands help us to? Yes, catch, pick, hold. That means all of these. So tick here. And the second one is with our leg and foot we can dash. And we have options eat, kick a ball, cut, cook. Which is the correct answer? Yes, tell me. With our leg and foot we can, yes, kick a ball. So right here, kick a ball. Next is which of these is not a sense organ? And the options are skin, hand, nose, tongue. Which is the correct answer? Which of these is not a sense organ? Yes, hand. Hand is not a sense organ, so tick here. Next is which of these help us in breathing? And the options are hands, lungs, eyes, ears. Which is the correct answer? How can we breathe? Yes. And the correct answer is lungs. Next is which organ pumps blood in our body? And the options are stomach, heart, nose, brain. Okay, now tell me which is the correct answer. Which organ pumps blood in our body? Yes, you have to tell me. Yes, heart. Our heart pumps blood in our body. Okay. And the next is fill in the blanks. Dash controls the whole body. Yes, tell me which part controls the whole body? Yes, brain, B-R-A-I-N, brain. Brain controls the whole body. Next is the dash pumps blood to all parts. Yes, tell me, which part pumps blood to all parts? Yes, heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart pumps blood to all parts. The heart pumps blood to all parts. Is R dash help us to breathe? Yes, how can we breathe? Yes, our lungs, L-U-N-G-S, lungs help us to breathe. And the next is R dash helps us to digest the food. And answer is S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Our stomach help us to digest food. And the next one is our body is made up of different dash. Yes, tell me. Yes, organs, O-R-G-A-N-S, organs. Our body is made up of different organs. Next is matching. Here we have organs and their functions. Skin, S-K-I-N, skin. Skin help us to touch, so match it with touch. Next is eyes. Eyes help us to see, so match it with sight. Tongue, tongue help us to taste, so match it with taste. Ears, we can hear with our ears, so match it with hearing. Stomach, our stomach help us to digest the food, so match it with digestion. Next is question answers. What are external body parts? And the answer is eyes, ears, nose, etc. E-Y-E-S, eyes, E-A-R-S, ears, N-O-S-E, nose, etc. And the second question is, what are internal body parts? And the answer is brain, heart, lungs, etc. B-R-A-I-N, brain, H-E-A-R-T, heart, L-U-N-G-S, lungs. Brain, heart, lungs, etc. Why is it important to watch television from a safe distance? And the answer is because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because it is safe for eyes. Next is, how many sense organs are there in our body? And the answer is, there are 5 sense organs in our body. So I think all the concepts are clear. All the best. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.